ATW installing instructions. The accessories include wire controller bracket, rubber shock pad, drain elbow, filter, screws, tank temperature sensor, mixing water temperature sensor, user manual. Please make sure nothing is missing. The unit have to install on the foundation. The recommendation of the foundation dimension is 130 mm by 90 mm by 600 mm. Make sure the foundation is level. Place the rubber shock pad between the unit and foundation. Fix the unit. Insert drain elbow into drain holes at the bottom of the unit. Caution! In a cold climate region, water drainage must be frost-proof. Ensure there is enough space for the heat exchange and maintenance. Outdoor piping installation. 1. Wrap the Teflon tapes around the threaded connection in a clockwise direction for leak-proof. 2. Install the shut-off valves and flexible hose. Caution! When the water pipe are connected, the nuts must be tightened by using 2 wrenches. Indoor piping installation. Install water piping and hydronic components with insulation. Caution! 1. Additional field items such as air vent valve, thermometer, manometer, magnetic filter, flow meter, safety fittings, and etc. should be installed in accordance with local regulation and site condition. 2. An expansion and buffer tank should be designed and installed additionally considering design requirements. 3. Type of water pipe support and fastening should be complied with local standard. Do the pressure test for the water pipe after all the pipes are connected. If there is no leakage, wrap the water pipe with insulation material. Caution! Must fit the insulation, including valves and connection on the entire water piping. There are 4 mixed pressing plates for HP M08, 10, 12, ND2, and 7 for HP 14, 16, ND2. They are at the chassis as shown in the picture. They are used to protect the pipe from leaking during transportation. Please remove them before using for a better quality experience. Electrical connection. Insert the power cable through the hole for the unit power. Cable specifications must be complied with, installation manual and local regulation. The PE ground wire must be longer than both the live and neutral wires. Protect the power wire from direct sunlight. Do not exchange live and neutral cores. Unit input power supply. Please install qualified leakage protector and switch. Input power wire. Diameter should meet the requirements. See power supply configuration and wire diameter specifications. The max length of a power cable should not exceed 15 meters. Install the wired controller. Caution! If the distance between the wired controller and the unit is more than 10 meters, please extend the cable. The size is AWG24. The maximum length of the communication cable is 50 meters. Connect the DHW tank temperature sensor. Insert DHW tank temperature sensor into DHW tank and fit it in accordance with tank manufacturer's guide. Connect the floor heating temperature sensor. Install the sensor in the temperature measurement blind tube on the main water inlet pipe of the floor heating system.